What's up, guys? Big Hurt 35. We're doing our one box break of Topps Supreme Baseball 2013. This is a lot of you were in some hybrid breaks and whatnot, and this was the second part of it. So that's what it is. This is everyone in the break. All teams are in. There we go. It's a little better. We are going to hit both randomizers this many times. Not 7, but after I press this button. Eat. Go in the distance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There it is. 8. Florida fan, you're on bottom. Oops. And I am on top. Copy that. Let's go over here. Do right here. Do this weird paste thing. For some reason, I don't know why this doesn't work, but for some reason. Alright, and our teams. 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There you go. Braves are on bottom. Mariners are on top. Okay, listen up. These are your squads. Me, Mariners, Mike, Rockies, Trader Chad, Tigers, J Rich, Nationals, Leo Inc., Orioles, Road to Ruins, Rangers, Play Shark, Reds, Big Pharma, D-backs. There we go. Angry Tad, Padres, Ebuke. Ebuke had, where do we go here? Screen's giving me fits, sorry. Ebuke, Blue Jays. M. Trout, A's, Angry Tad, Twins, Burr, Yankees. Nice. J. Rich, Phillies. Trader Chad, Cubs and Angels. Breezers, Red Sox. Angry Tad, Marlins. Florida fan, Dodgers. Trader Chad, Brewers and Giants. T.E. had the Pirates. Trader Chad, the Mets. Angry Tad, the White Sox. T.E. the this team, the Rays. Me, the Royals. Angry Tad, the Cardinals. Ubel, the Astros. I had the Indians, and Florida fan, the Braves. So, yeah, go ahead. Here's your box. I'm ready to go whenever you guys are. Who is in the room that has one of these teams? I suppose I can put this in the store real quick. Alright, it's in the team draw section if you guys are ever looking for it. Do we have anybody that wants to trade their team? Team draw section, Trader Chad. Team draw section, always in the team draw section, which you can find here. BigHeart35.com under good info. No, I moved it. It's right here. Team draws. There you go. Team draw section. Trader Chad, you had the Angels, Brewers, Cubs, Giants, Mets, and Tigers. All right. No trades. That's cool. Only 2 cards. Both hits. Not like Football Supreme, only 1 hit. 2 hits in this stuff. Alright. First one is /50, D.P. Gregorius. /47/50 for the Diamondbacks. Big Farm. And this one is /35, Adam Jones for the Orioles. Orioles is Leo Inc. And /35. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining.